Ready to turn casual contacts into loyal customers with automated follow-up sequences? Let's dive into Aisensy and build follow-up sequences that automatically engage with your customers. First, navigate to the follow-up sequences section. In your Aisensy dashboard, you'll usually find it in the Automation or Marketing Tools area. Click on the Create New Sequence button. This will open a window where you can define the parameters of your follow-up. Give your sequence a descriptive name, like Welcome New Customer or Abandoned Card Recovery. Then, select the trigger event. This could be anything from subscribing to your service to placing an order. Aisensy offers various trigger options, so choose the one that best suits your campaign's objective. For instance, if you're creating a welcome sequence, select New Subscription. Now, craft your first message. Make it engaging and relevant to the trigger event. For a welcome sequence, a friendly greeting and a brief overview of your product or service works well. To add follow-up messages, click the Add Message button. This allows you to create a series of automated messages sent at specified intervals. Set the time delay between each message, such as 1 day, 3 days, or a week. You can also choose different message types to make your sequences more dynamic, like including images, call to action buttons, or even video messages. Review your entire sequence, ensuring the messages are compelling and the timing is optimized. Remember, the goal is to nurture leads and build relationships, not to spam your audience. Finally, activate your follow-up sequence by toggling the active switch, and that's it. You've successfully created an automated follow-up sequence in Aisensy. Now, you can engage with your customers and nurture leads over time.